In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up payroll systems with Deel, making sure you're set up for success, whether you're paying remote teams, freelancers, or contractors. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a special bonus to use Deel completely free. So, let's dive right in. First things first, Deel is a powerful platform that simplifies payroll management for global teams. Whether you're a startup or an established company, Deel lets you pay your employees and contractors across the world with ease, without needing to worry about international tax laws, local compliance issues, or currency conversions. To get started, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just enter your company details, and you'll be able to create a profile in no time. Once you're set up, you can begin adding team members to your payroll system. Deel allows you to add employees from different countries. So no matter where your team is located, you can manage everything in one place. When adding employees, you'll need to choose the type of contract: full-time, part-time, or contractor. Deel also offers the option of creating custom contracts based on your specific needs. Once you select the contract type, Deel automatically takes care of all tax requirements based on local laws, saving you the hassle of figuring out payroll taxes for different countries. Next, you'll want to set up payment methods. Deel allows you to pay your employees using various payment methods like bank transfer, PayPal, or Deel Wallet, which can be extremely helpful when managing payments across different currencies. Deel also handles the exchange rates, so you don't need to worry about calculating conversions. Everything is done for you automatically. Now, let's talk about compliance. Deel is a great choice if you're looking for a payroll system that keeps you compliant with local labor laws and tax regulations. Deel has country-specific legal frameworks in place, which means that your company will automatically comply with local employment laws when paying remote workers or contractors. It's like having an HR expert in your back pocket. After payroll is set up, you can easily view and manage your employees' invoices, deductions, and benefits through your Deel dashboard. This makes it simple to stay on top of all the payments, ensuring that you never miss a payment or forget about any deductions. Plus, Deel generates pay stubs for employees and contractors, ensuring that everything is properly documented for tax purposes. If you're paying a contractor, Deel also lets you manage contract renewals, performance reviews, and project payments, all within the platform. This feature is great for freelancers or agencies working with multiple clients at once. But here's the best part. Deel offers powerful tools for managing your workforce at scale. If you have a global team, Deel will save you time by managing the payroll for each employee, regardless of where they are located. The platform does all the heavy lifting when it comes to international payroll, so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about handling complex regulations. I mentioned earlier that Deel makes it easy to track all payments, and this extends to tax forms too. Deel will generate and file all necessary tax documents, whether it's W-2s for US-based employees or other country-specific tax forms. This makes year-end tax filing incredibly easy, cutting down on the administrative burden. So, what are the benefits of using Deel for payroll? It's streamlined, compliant, and perfect for scaling. You can onboard new employees quickly, ensure they're paid accurately, and stay compliant with tax laws in different countries. Plus, Deel saves you the headache of dealing with the legal complexities of hiring internationally. Remember, the best part is that you can start using Deel for free through the link in the description below, with an exclusive extended trial. This is a limited time offer that lets you explore Deel's full features without the risk. So if you're looking to set up payroll systems with Deel, now's the perfect time to try it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your free trial to Deel and its exclusive bonus. It's time to simplify your payroll process and manage your team like a pro.